ZWCAD now supports RVT Import, break file format barriers, and bring Revit models into ZWCAD seamlessly. Original model structure and layers are fully preserved. View floor, material, category, and ID information directly in Properties. Control model display with native ZWCAD commands. Complex model views? Use section box to cut and explore any area instantly. Move, rotate, or stretch the section box for precise control. Multiple section views can be saved and reused for different scenarios. Generate multiple section views to explore every design angle. Faster RVT import. Smarter model handling. Download ZWCAD and give it a try now.